Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trend Analysis with a quick market update. Today, 30th of December, last trading day of the day. We didn't have any economic data released today, important, Chicago PMI, but that's not important for today. Today, the most important thing was to be patient and to find any, maybe few opportunities, or maybe just take the day off and enjoy the last days of the year. So as you can see right here, this is the Nasdaq, the 1 minute time frame. We started the day rejecting. If we take a look to the the 5 minute chart, we just swiped prior low. This was a nice level from yesterday. This was this pivot. We swiped that and we rejected lower pricing. And if we change to the 1 minute time frame, you can see that in here we got the swipe A, B, C, and this wedge resolved to the upside, but the high of day in this moment, I think it was not possible. So we got this rejection, this rejection, big one, this rejection. I mean, it's plenty of rejections at this 11,000. So we didn't even reach 11,000. The most that we had, the high of day was 10,971. If we take a look to the daily, we are just holding last week low. This is the blue dot line. This is last week low. We are just holding that, but we are not able to going higher. We are in the red still because we were gapping lower since pre-market. This is short-term traders in the overnight. So Nasdaq, the only thing that is barely flat is Tesla 0.03 right now. But Apple, Amazon is 1.35 in the red. Everything is slightly red. It's not big red day, but it's just, I think it's lack of participation, lack of buyers, but we are holding. I saw a couple of big, huge orders at 10,900 right here in this consolidation on the Nasdaq. So maybe some big hedge funds, big banks taking positions for next year. We don't know, but this is holding this level. So this is something good for next year. But I think for me, in my opinion, it's not worth to continue trading. And I did just a couple of shorts right here, and I call it a day. So that's for the Nasdaq. The dollar is also in the red, 0.41. If we check the daily, we are barely touching these lows. I still think that we can see lower pricing on the dollar until 100 down here. And one of the interesting things of the day is that yields are pushing higher. This is the 2-year yield 1.53 and the 10-year is 2% on the day. So this is quite interesting and something you have to be aware for next year. Let's take a look to the terminal rates. So this is April next year, 4.87, September 4.91. So we are 6 months again, almost 9 months of 2023. We will be at 4.9, almost 5%. And we are still pricing in a little bit of cut. I mean, December 2023 is going higher, barely 4.67. So markets are pricing in lower cuts at the end of 2023. So something to be aware of, because the thing is, next year it won't be only about the interest rates and the Fed, but also the economy. So the economy, it's sick, and we are starting to feel the pain of a recession. So let's see if next year some of these Nasdaq growth stocks and value stocks as Apple and all these huge giant tech companies are holding value. And if not, let's see what happens. Because I think next year is going to be everything about value. And Q1 earnings is going to be awesome, because I think a lot of people is going to be interested of certain big tech stocks around these lows for next year to have the curl and to start pushing while Feds cut rates in late 2023 and early 2024. So next year is going to be interesting because we will be looking for value in these giant tech stocks. That's my opinion, and that's what I'm looking for. Crude oil is a little bit higher, still holding a couple of weeks. So something relative strength, 1.21 in the green, and natural gas is barely holding this 4.8. I think we are going down on natural gas. This is a retest on pretty decent volume compared to the green days. So I think we can see a flash, a sell-off until 4. So that would be something to be watching if you're trading commodities. So let's go now back to the Nasdaq, to the 1-minute chart, to see if we are, don't get me wrong, we are still holding this channel. So maybe we are trying to retest 11,000 at the power hour. But I think for me, this year it's been awesome. I've been trading Nasdaq futures. I started with micros, I continue with minis, and I'm finding relative success. I'm happy with my profits, and I'm happy with my process and risk management. And I wanted to share with you guys all this via this YouTube channel, Daily Trading Analysis. So please, thank you for the support that you gave me on these months, and I hope I can grow more in 2023, and hopefully I can grow with you guys as long as I provide useful information, overall market levels, and also economic data releases. So thank you for your time. I hope you had an amazing year, and as always, if you found this video useful, please support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications. I will continue uploading new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recaps. And see you next year. I hope you continue following me, and I will continue providing you as much content as I can. I love day trading, and I hope that you continue with me and maybe grow a little bit more in 2023 to be with you guys, day trading along with you. So remember, if you continue trading, remember that the trading day is not over yet. Discipline and risk management are key for success. But from my side, this is my end of the year, my last trading day. And also I'm gonna call it, and I'm gonna join the end of the year. So stay safe, everyone, and see you next year.